In this video, I'm going to show you how to set any song as iPhone alarm on my iPhone 17 Pro Max. I'm provide full guide. Please don't skip my video. Simply just open clock apps. Open my clock apps and showing it to alarm option. Press on to alarm. Like set this alarm, showing it to sound option. Press on, and as you can see, showing it to limited sound. I'm not get add any custom sound option. Okay, but don't upset. I'm set any custom ringtone. So just close. At first time download a free sound. Open a Safari browser, go to Picjabe. Okay. Listen to filter. So like I'm at first time download this sound. Press on to download. Okay, now successfully download this sound. Simply open file apps. I'm recently download this sound. Okay, just rename this sound. Long press to rename. Like I'm rename alarm sound 40. Okay, press on right mark. So you just follow my sound rename. Just tap on to open. Press on share option. Scroll down and showing it to use as ringtone. Just press on use as ringtone and successfully add this sound in my ringtone section. When you add this music to ringtone section, and automatically add to alarm site. Like open clock. Okay, press on sound, and as you can see, I'm recently add this. Okay, just ringtone section, I'm recently add this sound. Okay, so this is on and only way. So if you have any question, let me know my comment box.